On 12 September, Jaipong Branch Committee organized induction cum body reshuffle event to strengthen the party at its office premises under Langhin constituency. The body reshuffle cum induction program was chaired by Sarmung Rongpar, advisor CC APHLC. It was reported that ideas, policy, knowledge and tactics were shared among the party workers to strengthen the party in the days to come. Also, it was unanimously decided Ram Terang as the president for APHLC Jaipong Branch Committee, Dhorom Tokbi as the vice president and Sar Inbe as the general secretary of APHLC Jaipong Branch Committee.
Kasi pinia bangke komiti reshuffle lo, apa nasori reshuffle dat na pia bangke arpuni dithan thepir ko Ram Terang na presiden lo. Pente vice president na bangke Dhorom Tokbi lo, apen kong tin bangke Sarin Bedo.
Ni tum dukawi Jepang rumpet ala dagla so branch long kubang bang koram podu.
Right after the formation of full-fledged Jaipong Branch Committee, they unanimously adopted a resolution to gear up for their participation at the 6th scheduled seminar program. It was also informed that all the villages falling under Langhin constituency would contribute a sum of Rs 500 each to meet up the expenses of the delegations as well as for the contribution of the party fund. Sarpangri Ingtir Kathar's report from Langhin, Karbianglong Live.